Would you like to quit your job and make more money in less time? If so, stick with me. I will reveal the simple side hustle that can help you do just that. And this isn't just about the money, it's about having the lifestyle, the money and the time to do the things you want to do when you want to do them also. A side hustle replaced my job over 20 years ago. Now I ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while I make my living, while most people are stuck in a real rut. See, they don't know how to quit their job and enjoy even more. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making more money with a side hustle. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So here's how to quit your job and replace it with a simple side hustle. It's what I do. It is my #1 recommended income stream. It's a simple affiliate marketing business that anyone can do. Previous experience does not matter. Everything is done online. It only takes minutes a day at a schedule you choose. This is ideal for busy people. This side hustle is simple to do around everything else in life. It will be easy to get this up to full speed before you quit your job. We market 4 high-demand digital products and get paid 80% commissions on every sale. These products range in price from $10 to $1,000. You can make as much as $800 on a single sale. And on 3 of the products, you can get paid long-term recurring or passive income also. That's money that can keep coming in month after month from the sales that you make each day without having to do any additional work. That's one of the things you will like best about using this to quit your job. I love the way we get paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds. There's no waiting for a check in the mail. Here's what makes this so simple that many people start making money their very first day. You'll get your own online marketing system, and this is how you can automate the process and leverage your time. Like I said, it only takes minutes a day. Your marketing system will be just like mine, but personalized to give it your look and promote you. And it's everything you need: lead capture pages, sales pages, follow-up emails to go out automatically using a free autoresponder. It's quick and simple to set up. You do not need to create anything. You will get excellent training and support. We have a great training website with dozens of how-to videos. We hold daily live Zoom calls 6 times a week, led by industry leaders, and they are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. We also have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You'll love being part of our online community. And maybe best of all, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, or my personal cell anytime you need help. So, to learn more about how to quit your job with this side hustle and to start making money later today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com.